Hello everyone, today I will explore a core issue in economics, the relationship between money supply growth and inflation. We will analyze the relationships through the classical quantitative theories of money, and we use the historical case of the Zimbabwe to deeply understand the economy logic behind it and heavy cost of the high inflation. So this presentation will be delivered into four parts. First, we will review the formula of the quantitative series of money, MV equal BQ, to understand the basic principle. Next, we will elevate into the case of the hyperinflation in Zimbabwe to see how the series play out in really. Then, we will discuss to victory economic cost burst about by inflation. Finally, we will summarize this discussion. First, let's look at the core formula of the quantitative series of money. MV equal PQ. Here is the M represent the money supply, which is the total amount of money collations in the money economic. V is the velocity of money, means how many times a unit of the currency is used in a given period. P is the price level, and Q is the real output, which is the total amount of the good and the service. The core assumption of the series is the V and Q relative stable into a short term. Therefore, when the money supply M grows rapidly to maintain the balance of the equation, the price level P will envelop the rest, which is the root case of the inflation. Series need to be tested in relativities. The example of the Zimbabwe is the classic one. Into 2000s, due to the Fletcher and the lines for reform, Zimbabwe's economy fused into regions, and the government's fiscal situation deterioration sharply to pay the bills. The government chose the simplest and the most dangerous way, printing more money like crazy. The directly lead explores growth into money supply, and as we saw in the quantitative series on money, runway hyperinflation following by 2008. Price will doubling every day, and even 100 trillion the denominations the banknotes appear, eventually leading to the compost copies of the enhanced currency system. So in summary, the quantitative series of money tell us the growth of money supply are important, delivering into inflation. The trade of the Zimbabwe prove us that the perform the historical lessons that ignore economic law and printing too much money will eventually lead to distortions consequences. So therefore, maintaining the stable growth of the money supply is crucial of the health development of the economy. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you.